In 1963, Swedish engineer Torsten Johannesson embarked on an audacious project, transforming a humble Saab 92 sedan into a fully functional motorhome. Working at AB Billtjänst with limited finances, Johannesson chose the mid-1950s two-door Saab 92 as his foundation, an unconventional base for a campervan by any measure. The resulting 92H featured lightweight wood and aviation-grade aluminum construction to minimize weight. Despite these efforts, the additional mass proved catastrophic for the drivetrain. The 764 cubic centimeters two-cylinder, two-stroke engine delivered merely 25 horsepower, woefully inadequate for the doubled vehicle weight concentrated over the driving wheels. Within months, the engine failed completely. Rather than scrapping his creation, Johannesson converted the 92H into a static hunting lodge where it sat abandoned in a Swedish forest for decades. Learning from this failure, Johannesson built the 95HK using a Saab 95 platform. This second iteration initially ran a 40-horsepower two-stroke three-cylinder engine, later upgraded to a 65-horsepower Ford V4 from later 95 models. The additional power made the 95HK genuinely roadworthy, and it survived without major mechanical failures into the modern era. Saab executives took notice of Johannesson's projects, reportedly even discussing potential production. However, negotiations stalled, possibly because Saab launched their own Saab Husvagn trailer division in 1964, creating direct competition with Johannesson's designs. Both vehicles eventually surfaced at auction, where Claes Johansson acquired them. He meticulously restored both prototypes to working condition, even engineering solutions to make the previously unreliable 92H operational. These two survivors represent Sweden's earliest experiments in compact motorhome design, bridging automotive ingenuity with one-off coach building during Saab's formative years.